the definition. Okay, write down the coefficient of x square minus z 7y in the term minus 14 x square y z. Okay, so you have to factorize the given term minus 14 x square yz. Factorize means this term can be expressed as product of some more terms. That means minus 14 into x square into y into z. So minus 14 into x square into y into z. These are all factors of the given term. So here coefficient is also a term of an algebraic expression of any of factors with sign. Any of factors with sign of the term is called the coefficient of product of other factors. That means, for example, this is the one of the term x square. We want to find the coefficient of x square. So coefficient of x square means other factors are minus 14 y z. So excluding x square, other factors are minus 14 y and z. Minus 14 y into z is known as coefficient of x square. So coefficient also a term. Okay, which term? The product of other terms. What are they? Minus 14 y z is the coefficient of x square. So you write sign also. If it is negative, you write negative sign also. So minus 14 yz is coefficient of x square. What? Now we want to find the coefficient of y. What is the coefficient of y? Remaining factors, product of factors. Minus 14 x square z. And what is the coefficient of z here? Okay, you have to write other factors product with sign. Other factors product means minus 14 x square y along with sign also minus. Okay, so minus 14 x square y. That means coefficient means if you want to write the coefficient of one of the factors of the term is known as product of remaining terms. Along with sign. For example, write down the coefficient of x square. So coefficient of x square. Already we factorize the given term minus 14 x square y and z. So minus 14 into x square into y into z. What do you want? We want to write coefficient of x square is, we write remaining terms product. That means product of remaining factors. What are they? Minus 14 y z. So minus 14 yz is the coefficient of x square. So you factorize the given term first. If you want to find x square term, okay, so you find out the product of remaining factors. That means minus 40 into y into z along with sign also. If you want to coefficient of minus z, so minus and z, so remaining 14 and x square y. Okay, we want to write minus z. Remaining factors are 14 and x square y. So 14 x square y. So minus 14 x square yz can be expressed as minus z into 14 into x square into y. You get same term once again. Okay, so 14 into x square into minus z means minus x square z. So we want to write coefficient of minus z. So the product of remaining terms, that is 14 x square y, and we have to write coefficient of 7z. Coefficient of 7z. How to write coefficient of 7z? Minus 14x square yz can be expressed as minus 2 into 7. Yes or no? Minus 2 into 7 into y into x square into z. Okay? So minus 14 can be expressed as minus 2 into 7 into x square into y into z. What do you want? We want to write the coefficient of 7y. Okay, excluding 7 and y. Okay, now you write the product of remaining terms. What are they? Minus 2 into x square into z. Minus 2 into x square into z. So this is the coefficient of 7y. 7y. For example, if you want to write coefficient of minus 2x. Coefficient of minus 2x. How? You can write the factors of the given term can be expressed as minus 2 into 7. Minus 2 into 7. Yes or no? Minus 2 into 7 into x can be written as x into x into y into z. What do you want? We want to write the coefficient of minus 2x. Minus 2 and x. You remove them. So remaining terms are 7x, y, z. 7x, y, z. 7x, y, z is the coefficient of minus 2x. 7x, y, z. Okay. So this is the writing of coefficient of the given term. Some more examples. Coefficient of xy in the given expression. Okay. So first of all you search where is the xy located. Here xy is the located. xy. So minus x square yz consists xy. So this can be written as x into y. So remaining terms are minus already x already written and 1y written, remaining 1x is there and z is there. So minus x square yz can be factorize it xy into minus xz. What do you want? We want to write coefficient of xy. Coefficient of xy means you write common of xy. Remaining minus in x square already 1x is separated. Remaining 1x is there. Okay. Y also separated. Remaining z is there. Okay. So this is factorize of xy into minus xz. Now the coefficient of xy is remaining product of the factors. What are they? Minus xz. Minus xz. That is the answer. That is the answer. Okay. Same coefficient of xy. Same coefficient of xy in x y z square. Okay. And xz square and zy square. Where is xy located here? Here xy is located. You write the term xyz square. Okay. What do you want? We want to write coefficient of xy. So you separate it. Remaining is z square. Now other factors with sign, that is z square. So coefficient of xy in the expression is z square. Z square. Now another example. Coefficient of mn in the given expression. Where is mn located here? In second term consists mn. So that is second term is minus mnq. What do you want? We want to write coefficient of mn. So you separate mn. Remaining minus into q. Minus q. So that means except mn, remaining terms product is minus q. That minus q is coefficient of mn. Okay. Next one, coefficient of 3y in the given expression minus 15 xy square z. Okay, so minus 15 xy square z. What do you want? We want to write coefficient of 3y. So 3y separated. 3y separate. So remaining. So minus 15 can be expressed as 3 into minus 5. 3 into minus 5. Already 1 3 is separated here. Remaining minus 5. Minus 5. So minus 5 into 3 minus 15. And into x. Okay. Y. Already 1 y is separated. Okay. In y square. Remaining 1 y. So y square can be expressed as y into y. Already 1 y is separated. Remaining another y into z. Okay. So except 3y, the product of remaining terms with along with sign, that is minus 5. So minus 5 x y z is minus 5 x y z is the coefficient of 3y in the given expression. Good morning, students. In our previous video, I explained some of the basic concepts of algebraic expression. Okay, now let us explain some more basic concepts in algebraic expressions. What are they? Coefficients. What is meant by coefficients? First of all,